Are you looking for the right cleaning towels? Well, stop here right now. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Microfiber towels have come a long way. They're smarter, more durable, and more specialized than ever. So whether you're cleaning your kitchen, wiping down your windows, or drying your dishes, the right towel makes all the difference. And today we're going to be showing you the top microfiber towels of 2025 for cleaning based on performance, value, and versatility. Let's get started. First up, we have the Clean-Aid Ultra Absorbent 300 GSM microfiber cleaning towels. These guys are your go-to for everyday cleaning. Each towel is 16 by 16 inches, comes in 4 different colors for task organization, and is machine washable. At 300 GSM, they strike a great balance between softness and absorbency, making them perfect for kitchens, living spaces, garages, and more. Next up, for those who hate smudges and foul odors, we have our silver embedded microfiber towels. These feature an antimicrobial silver agent called Novron, which is embedded in the fibers that keep odors at bay, and an edgeless design to avoid scratches on delicate surfaces. They're ultra absorbent and perfect for kitchen counters, stainless steel appliances, and all-purpose cleaning. Do you need a quick grab-and-go cleaning solution? Well, you're in the right place because we have the Euro Reusable microfiber wipes that come in a dispenser box of 100 each. These 200 GSM cloths are smaller at 12 by 12 inches, but great for high traffic cleanup like kitchens, restaurants, or workshops. They're reusable and wash friendly, making them a practical, eco-conscious, and sustainable choice. They are available in 4 different colors. These are perfect for color coding for your cleaning needs. The next one is a real paper towel alternative and innovative product, the Euro Terra Towel microfiber rolls, which include 75 reusable microfiber sheets pre-cut at 11 by 12 inches. They're lint-free, streak-free, and washable up to 50 times. They are perfect for the kitchen, garage, or anywhere you would use a throwaway towel. For a flawless finish with no streaks, be sure to grab the Clean-Aid Glass Weave glass cleaning towels. They're ultra soft, non-abrasive, and edgeless, making them ideal for windows, mirrors, touchscreens, and even stainless steel. No lint, no streaks, just a crystal clear shine. They come in a 12-pack, are reusable, and are perfect for anyone looking specifically for glass, windows, and mirror cleaning. Finally, check out the Euro Waffle Weave kitchen towels. With the Waffle Weave, they absorb fast, dry even faster, and leave 0 lint behind. The multicolor set helps you keep towels separate for different kitchen tasks. With its 16 by 28 size, they are ideal for drying dishes, wiping hands, or polishing surfaces, all without compromising on the style and aesthetics of your kitchen with the subtle earthy tones that everyone loves. And there you have it, the best cleaning towels in 2025. Whether you need a streak-free shine or an eco-friendly kitchen solution, these towels have got you covered. If you are interested in them, be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.